Now we will see how to change the working table from the blade table to the honeycomb table. Firstly, we press Z move and press left and right button to control the up-down move. Right button for up, for down. Working table will be down.
这个不行，这个金黄图在这碍事，我得把金黄图先给它推到后边去。
Firstly, in order to change the table, we have to move the laser head to the backward of the machine. Then we will change the table. This is a honeycomb table. We can directly put the honeycomb table above the blade table. So you can choose casually according to your requirement working purpose to change the table.
自动聚焦再来一次。
Then we can process the autofocus function. Press the autofocus function. Finish.